For your best viewing experience, please switch to high definition full screen. In this video I will show you how to add content to a web page in DotNetNuke. In a previous video I showed you how to add the test page as a new page here. So right now it's a blank page, doesn't have any content. To add content, say I'm gonna add text to the page. So what I'm gonna do is drop or add an HTML module to the page. So this is the module drop-down list, and the HTML is already selected, and you can see here I have different modules in the web page, or different modules I can add to the web page. So this is the HTML module. That's the one that I'm going to be using to add text to my web page. And here I'm telling it where to add the module in the web page, which pane. You can see here that the layout of the page has different panes. Each skin or template has a specific layout, and then in the layout you have different panes. If I want to look at what the panes are in the layout, I would switch here to the layout mode, and it will show me what the panes are. And this is only like a sketch which shows me the panes. Actually these lines and panes are not physical attributes of the page. It just gives me an idea what the panes are and how they're located. Okay, so I'm gonna switch back to the edit mode, and I'll drop the HTML module into the content pane. Okay, and click on the add module to page link, and it will add the module to the page. I need the module so that I can use it to add text. Whenever you want to add or edit any kind of content in a page, you have to use some module. So if I want to add like a store to a page, I have to use the store module. If I want to add a wiki to a page, I have to use the wiki module. Every functionality is used through a module. Okay, so let's add some text here. So I'll click on the edit content, and this brings up the rich text editor, which I'll use to add some content. As usual, switch to full screen, click on this icon, and start typing here. So this is my content for the test page. I'm gonna bold it, center it, and give it a red color. Make it bigger, and okay, let's say this is all the content that I want in the page. I'm done, so switch to regular mode and save. And if I want to preview the page, switch to another browser and click here refresh on this page, and as you can see here my content is showing. Remember that if you want to add more content to a page, or you want to have a certain format to the web page, you can drop several of the HTML modules into the page, so that maybe if you want to have a left column, a right column, a middle column, maybe you can have 3 different HTML modules in the page, one for each column. That's one way of doing it. Or you can actually have just one HTML module in the page that takes the whole width, and you can put all the content you want into a single HTML module. So it's pretty flexible. You can do it in different ways. There's no specific way in how to create or add content to a page. That's it.